How to get and fill out a Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I show you how to get and fill out the Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form to set up direct deposits easily. Let's dive in. First, log into your Navy Federal account online or open the Navy Federal mobile app. Once you're in, head to the Account Services or Forms section. This is where you'll find the direct deposit form. If you can't find it online, you can also get a paper copy at any Navy Federal branch, or download it directly from the Navy Federal website under their Forms section. On the form, fill in your personal details, including your full name, account number, and the type of account, whether it's checking or savings, where you want the deposit. So for the bank's routing number, use 256074974. This is Navy Federal's routing number for all direct deposits. Once filled, submit the form to your employer's payroll department to set up direct deposit. And that's it. You're all set to start receiving funds directly into your Navy Federal account. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.